So this is the event program for author readings, and this is starting on page 2 of your Office 2016 Projects Manual. And so I'm going to go through the steps of the textbook. And the first thing is to open a new blank document and turn on the Show Hide button, which I've done. And then we're going to click the Layout tab, and we're going to change the orientation to landscape. And then go to Margins, and we're going to click Custom Margins, and we're going to set the left and right at 0.6. Oops. Left and right, 0.6. And then we're going to click OK. Okay, so now I am going to save the document, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop, and I'm just going to name it PR-1, oops, PR1-event program for author readings. Okay, and now I'm going to click the columns button and click more columns, and I want 2, and make sure the spacing between the columns is 1, and tab 44 and 1, just like the example on page 3. Okay. Click OK, and then we are going to go to breaks, and we're going to click page break, and that's going to bring me down to page 2. Let me go back and check my margins real quick just to make sure they're right. I want 1.0. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm just going to click Save, but I've done that so far. Now on the Insert tab, we're going to go over to Object, and we're going to click Text from File, and we're going to locate the PR-01 document. Let me see if I have the saved PR-1-01. That's what we got right there. Okay. So it actually puts it on 3 pages right now, but we're going to keep moving along. Number 6, go to the Design tab. And we're going to go to Themes. And we want the Slice theme right here. And then click the Home tab. Scroll up and select the heading Retro Island Writers. And then click the Heading 1 Style. And then click the center button. And now we're going to go to number 7. We're going to select Gary Donahue all the way down to the last picnic right here. And we're going to click the paragraph launch button, go to tabs, and we're going to set it at 4.25. Make sure it is a right tab, and click the 2 option button for leader dots, and then OK. Number 9, click Host Donna Shaw, center admission, and then save the document. So we're going to center this and center intermission. Okay, and then we're going to click Save. Now I'm going to go over to page 4. Press Control plus Home, and click the Layout tab, Breaks, and then Column Break. Okay. The insertion point is positioned at the top of the second column on page 1. Now enter the text for the front panel as shown in figure 1.4. So we're going to type Renfrew Island Writers and an evening of readings. And then we're going to press enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let me go back up one more. I'm going to type March 14th, 2017 at 7 p.m. 1. Okay, so now that's what we have. I'm going to save here. Now select Renfrew Island Writers, and at the top of the panel click the Home tab, and we're going to go to the text effects right here and click the Fill Dark Green Accent for Soft Bezel, okay, bevel, and then increase the font size to 26. Okay, scroll to page 2, select Author Biographies, click heading 2, select the text from Donahue Jerry, select the text from Donahue Jerry to Renfrew Island. Okay, so we're going to select all of this. There. And click the Sort button right here. And we're going to verify that paragraph is selected and OK. Now, the author biographies are sorted in alphabetical order by the last name. Okay, so scroll up to Chow Tina and apply the bold italic. Double-click the Format Painter so we can use it more than once, and format each of the author names in the biography, and then turn it off when you're done. Okay, then turn it back off. I'm going to hit Save. Now go to the View tab, go to Multiple Pages, and click to the left of this one. And select the text from there to the end of the document. Okay. Click the Home tab, click the Cut button. Now we're going to go to click at the top of column 1 on page 1 to the left of the column break, and then click your Paste button. Okay. Compare the 2 pages of your document. And so far, that's what we have. All right, I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to go over to page 6. Click to the left of Renfrew Island Riders at the top of the front cover, panel 1 on page 1. And increase the zoom to 70% or until the 2 panels on page 1 appear in the document, and which I already have. Click the File tab, open, navigate to your data files, and I'm going to go here, and we want PR1-02. Okay. Now we're going to click the beach picture and copy it. Switch to the event program, and we're going to click the paste button like that. Double click the picture to show the picture tools format bar right here. Click the wrap text button in the arrange group and click behind text. Click the launcher in the size group and click the lock aspect ratio to deselect it. Set the height to 7% or 7 inches and the width to 4.5. Oops, let me change that back. In the wrong box. Down here, I think. Let me go over here and change it. The height to 7 and 4.5. Okay. Alright, now click the color button and we want dark green accent color for light. Okay. Click the corrections button. Click the brightness plus 40% minus 0. Okay. And then on the front cover, center the text and then apply bold. So we're going to highlight everything and we're going to center and bold. Okay. Number 6, on panel 4, click after journal on the last line. Okay, right here. Press enter and go to the insert tab. We're going to click table and we want 2 columns and 1 row. And then we're going to click the borders button and put no border. But before I do that, I'm going to go to number 7 and I'm going to put the pictures in there first. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in this box. And then we're going to resize it. Oops. We're going to resize it to a height of 5. Oops, 0.5. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other picture here. Copy. And paste. And I'm going to resize it to